shout out guys. Welcome to Chef Mike Vlog. Guys, we're gonna make pork ribs adobo guys para sa Sunday brunch. Right? So mayroon tayo itong ingredients na luya, anglat o lemongrass, so onion, garlic, and black pepper and laurel. Right? This is the ribs. So pala tayo oyster sauce, chicken stock, fish sauce, vinegar, brown sugar, and siyempre anghang o pampagana. Tapos mayroon tayo dito salt and pepper. Saka, of course, di mawawala ang ating Kikkoman soya sauce. Right? Let's go! Kaya biray na natin dito. Nikos-nikos na natin dito yung mga inisan. Yun! Yan. Baka biray pa ng iba yan. Lakasan na natin kasi medyo mahina ang apoy. Okay, golden brown na natin dito guys. Para makuha natin yung flavor, yung aroma. Yung ating ribs na tayo. Right? So, yun guys, yung napakaangas na ribs na yun. Update ko kayo mamaya guys pag naluto na. So, yan ang ating secret ingredients guys. Oyster sauce, fish sauce, chicken stock, brown sugar, vinegar, chili, salt and pepper, and then the Kikkoman soya sauce. Hindi ko pa narili guys, kukunin ko pa lang. God bless us.